Hello friends, welcome to Madhu's English Academy. English is easy. If you have not subscribed the channel, kindly do it by pressing the subscribe button and press the bell button to get regular updates from Madhu's English Academy. Are you all ready to awaken the poet in you? Yes, today we are going to learn a new style of poetry. It is called as limericks. And in this video, you are going to learn rhyming words, rhyme scheme, syllables, limericks, examples of limericks, and finally, you are going to explore the poet in you. Yes, you are going to write your own poetries. Shall we start? What are rhyming words? Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar ending sounds. For example, hat, bat, rat, sun, fun, run, moon, soon, spoon, town, brown, noun, air, where, chair. Children, these are just examples which I have given to you. You can add any number of words after this. Yes, now you learnt to write rhyming words. Shall we go to learn what rhyme scheme is? It's very interesting. A rhyme scheme is a pattern of rhymes at the end of each line of a song or a poem. So rhyme scheme tells you how it rhymes. It tells you about the pattern of rhyme. For example, I have a small song here. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Everyone liked this rhyme, isn't it? So let us see the rhyme scheme in this rhyme. For identifying the rhyme scheme, first you should identify the rhyming words. We have three pairs of rhyming words. Jill, hill, water, after, down and crown. So these are the three pairs of rhyming words in this paragraph. Jill and hill rhyme with each other, so let us label them as A and A. Water and after rhyme with each other, so let us label them as B and B. Down and crown rhyme with each other, so let us label them as C and C. So the rhyme scheme in this stanza is A, B, C, B. So this is how you should identify rhyme scheme. We shall have another example. Yes, one more favorite rhyme. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. So star and R rhyme with each other, so I have labeled them as A and A. High and sky rhyme with each other, so I have labeled them as B and B. So this is how you should identify rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of this stanza is A, B, B. So we learnt rhyming words, we learnt rhyme scheme, and now we are in the important section. We are going to learn syllables. What are syllables? Syllables are word parts. All word parts are made up of syllables. Knowing how words are broken down into syllables will help you to read and to write without any spelling mistake. Identifying syllables is very easy, and we do have several methods to identify syllables. As a first step, I am going to teach you the clap method. Ready to clap with me? You can identify syllables using clap method. Let's try it. Clap with me as I say these words.
Cat, sunset, radio, book, teacher, tractor.
Shall we try again? Cat, sunset, radio, book, teacher, tractor. So children, cat has one syllable, sunset has two syllables, radio has three syllables, book has got one syllable, teacher has got two syllables, tractor has got two syllables. Oh, that was interesting, right? You can try this with some other words also. Come on, let's move to the next method. You can identify syllables by putting your hand below your chin while pronouncing the words. Cat, sunset, tractor. Did you notice that your mouth opens each time you say a vowel? Each time your mouth opens, you said a new syllable. Radio, that was 3 syllables. Book, 1 syllable. Teacher, 2 syllables. What are limericks? Limericks are silly, funny and humorous poems of 5 lines having the rhyme scheme AA, BB, A. A lines contain 7 to 10 syllables and B line contain 5 to 7 syllables. So, limericks are silly, funny and humorous poems of 5 lines which contain the rhyme scheme AA, BB, A. Here is an example. There was an old man with a flute. A serpent ran into his wood, but he played day and night till the serpent took flight and avoided that man with the flute. So children, this is a poetry of 5 lines with the rhyme scheme AA, BB and A. Shall we have another example? A jumping monkey. There was once a jumping monkey, and jumping he would always be. He fell off a cliff because he was stiff. Now jumping he would never be. Funny, right? Look at the rhyme scheme. Monkey, B and B. Lines 1, 2 and 5 rhyme with each other. So let us label them as A. Cliff and stiff. Lines 3 and 4 rhyme with each other. So let us label them as B. The rhyme scheme is AA, BB, A. And this is a poetry of 5 lines with the rhyme scheme AA, BB, A. So it is a limerick. Children, once you can go through this limerick and check whether it is meeting all the conditions. And now I have my limerick for you. Once I was writing funny limericks about the game of latest tricks. Suddenly I tripped, fell and started to yell. Then I found I had stepped on red bricks. Funny, right? Children, writing limerick is very easy because your poetry should contain only 5 lines and it should be silly and humorous. You just have to focus on the rhyme scheme and the syllables of your limerick. Are you ready to try your own limerick? That's fantastic. Write your limericks and drop it in the comment box. Don't forget to like this video and to share it with your friends. Let's awaken the poet in you. Thank you.